Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into building an OpenAI code interpreter, now called Advanced Data Analysis, with Python. This tutorial will break down the process into manageable steps, explain the core concepts, and provide comprehensive code examples. What is OpenAI's code interpreter, Advanced Data Analysis? The OpenAI Code Interpreter/Advanced Data Analysis is a feature of GPT models, especially GPT-4, that allows the model to execute Python code within a sandboxed environment. This dramatically expands the capabilities of the model, enabling it to data analysis analyze data in various formats, CSV, Excel, JSON, etc., create visualizations, and perform statistical calculations. File manipulation create, read, and write files within the environment. This allows it to generate reports, modify data, and more. Image processing basic image manipulation tasks using libraries like Pillow, Pill. Solve complex problems solve mathematical problems, perform simulations, and execute tasks that require computation. Code generation write and execute code to solve problems or fulfill user requests. Why build your own implementation? While OpenAI offers the code interpreter as a premium feature, understanding how to implement it yourself, or a simplified version, can be extremely valuable for several reasons. 1. Customization you can tailor the environment and functionalities to your specific needs and constraints. 2. Cost savings using your own implementation can be more cost-effective than relying solely on the OpenAI provided service if you have the resources to host and maintain it. 3. Control and transparency you have complete control over the execution environment, security, and data handling. 4. Learning it's an excellent way to deepen your understanding of how LLMs work and how to interact with them programmatically. Important considerations and limitations complexity building a full-fledged code interpreter is a complex undertaking. This tutorial provides a simplified implementation to illustrate the core principles. Security sandboxing the execution environment is critical for security. You need to prevent the code from accessing sensitive data or causing harm to your system. Resource intensive running code can be resource intensive, especially for complex tasks. You need to consider the computational resources required to execute the code. Rate limits be mindful of OpenAI API rate limits. Implement proper error handling and retry mechanisms. Hallucinations LLMs can still hallucinate and generate code that is incorrect or doesn't work as expected. Carefully validate the code and the results. Architecture overview The basic architecture of a code interpreter typically involves these components. 1. User input The user provides a natural language prompt or request. 2. LLM prompt engineering The prompt is carefully crafted to instruct the LLM to generate Python code. 3. Code generation The LLM generates the Python code based on the prompt. 4. Sandboxed execution The generated code is executed in a secure, sandboxed environment, example a Docker container or a virtual machine. 5. Output capture The output of the code execution, including standard output, standard error, and any files created, is captured. 6. LLM response The LLM processes the output from the code execution and generates a natural language response for the user. Step-by-step implementation guide Let's build a simplified code interpreter using Python, OpenAI API, and a sandboxed execution environment. 1. Prerequisites Asterisk Python asterisk make sure you have Python 3.6 or higher installed. Asterisk OpenAI API key asterisk obtain an API key from OpenAI, https://platform.openai.com/ https://platform.openai.com. Asterisk libraries asterisk install the necessary Python libraries. Asterisk Docker, optional but highly recommended install Docker, https://www.docker.com/ https://www.docker.com, for creating a secure and isolated execution environment. This is the preferred method for security. 2. Project setup asterisk. Create a new directory for your project and create the following files. Asterisk main.py, the main script for your code interpreter. Asterisk.env, to store your OpenAI API key securely. Asterisk Docker file, optional, for Docker-based execution. 3. .env file asterisk. Add your OpenAI API key to the .env file. 4. Docker file, optional, for Docker sandboxing. If you choose to use Docker, create a Docker file to define the execution environment. Create a requirements.txt file. Build the Docker image. 5. Main.py, core code. Here's the main.py file, which contains the core logic for our code interpreter. Python. Temperature equals 0.2, lower for more deterministic code. Max underscore tokens equals 500. Stop equals 6. Explanation of the code asterisk. Asterisk imports necessary libraries, openai, subprocess, temp file, os. Asterisk load underscore dotenv, asterisk loads the API key from the .env file. Asterisk sandbox underscore type configuration asterisk specifies the type of sandboxing to use, Docker, subprocess, or none. Docker is highly recommended for security. Subprocess is less secure. None will not execute the code, but can be useful for debugging the generated code. Asterisk timeout configuration asterisk sets a timeout for code execution to prevent infinite loops. Asterisk generate underscore code, prompt, asterisk. Asterisk takes a user prompt as input. Asterisk uses the OpenAI API to generate Python code based on the prompt. Asterisk the prompt is carefully crafted to instruct the LLM to generate code. The stop equals. Enter your request, or exit to quit. Calculate the square root of 25 and print the result. Name age city. Alice 30 New York. Bob 25 London. Charlie 40 Paris. Python. Import pandas as pd. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Try. Data equals pd read underscore csv, data.csv. Print, data.describe. Create a bar chart of ages. plt.figure, fig size equals 8, 6. plt.bar, data name, data age. plt.slabel, name. plt.elabel, age. plt.title, ages of people. plt.savefig, age underscore chart.png, save the chart as an image. Print, chart saved to age underscore chart.png. Except file not found error. Print, error, data.csv not found. Accept exception as e. Print, f error, e. Important notes asterisk. Asterisk cost asterisk using the OpenAI API can incur costs. Monitor your API usage and set spending limits to avoid unexpected charges. Experimentation. The best way to learn is to experiment. Try different prompts, configurations, and enhancements to see what works best for your use case. This comprehensive tutorial should provide a solid foundation for building your own OpenAI code interpreter. Remember to prioritize security, handle errors gracefully, and continuously improve your implementation based on your specific needs. Good luck.